sometimes we do things just for fun. I bought this little gnome at a garage sale for many years ago, and all the paint had been weathered off, and so it was completely white, and I just had it in the garden for years in its unpainted state. And then last fall, I brought it in, and I was looking at it thinking, when I was doing the window hearts, I thought, I should put I put a teddy bear in the window, and it didn't work. It kept falling over. And I thought, well, I'll put the gnomes, various gnomes from around the house, in the window. And I found this guy, and I thought, okay, I'm going to paint this little guy to cheer up the window even more. So he's meant to be a cheerful presence along with the window hearts and angels and other things. So when I was taking pictures, I thought, well, I'll just show one corner of where I'm just staying safe and working hard in my studio. This is a tapestry loom that I designed and built, I don't know, a few years ago. This is another loom that my son and I collaborated on. He built the box parts, and then I did all the metal and wooden decoration, and they built the ratchets and pawls. It's a narrow band loom. You can see I've got a narrow band in progress there, and that the face is one that I carved from an avocado pit probably 20 years ago when I did the Soulmate Dolls book. So there's a glimpse of one corner of my studio, and I am sending love from my studio on a very snowy April 1st. We had the coldest March in ever such a long time, and years and years and years. And now April is kind of roaring in like a polar bear. Anyhow, hugs and blessings, and be well, and send some virtual love to whoever needs it. Thanks. Take good care. Talk to you soon. Bye.